Good morning, and once again, welcome to Monday Morning Message. I know it's been a minute since we've done one of these, but I definitely wanted to get back in the rhythm, so to speak, and give you an opportunity to kind of know what's going on at the week at a glance. We're looking forward to our walkthroughs. Miss Woodruff, Miss Blair, of course, have done an amazing job in an effort to try to get everything up and going for our walkthrough, which will take place tomorrow from 8:30 till 11:30. And of course, it's business as usual. We're going to certainly look at your lesson plans, modules, and then from there, going in using the Elliott rubric to ensure, once again, that our students are getting the information that they need as you disseminate in respect to teaching and learning the standards. So make sure that, of course, that you're doing, in fact, what is prescribed as we continue to move forward, moving the needle academically here in the building. Also want to bring to your attention that, of course, this month, the week of the 20th, we are going to have the SACS interviews with teachers in addition to our students as well. And of course, SACS is our every 5 years, if you don't know, school districts go through accreditation. And so this is an opportunity to really showcase what we're doing here at Pinson Valley High School. So certainly want to bring that to your attention, and we'll talk more about that a little bit down the road. And of course, if you are a teacher that has been selected on the interview team, then we'll be getting with you in the next couple of days in an effort to ensure that you know exactly what it is that certainly the story, if you will, or our journey that you want to be able to communicate and articulate to that team. Moving fast forward in terms of visibility, walking the halls and being obviously outside, in and out of the buildings, I'm noticing that teachers are not coming to their doors for transitions. And folks, that's how students are allowed to go do whatever it is that they feel like they want to do because there's no adults watching. Certainly, we want to make sure that we have high visibility through transitions, and also in the lunchroom. We have students that are coming and going. Make sure that you sit down with your student and let them know that they are not to walk out the cafeteria without your permission. I'm seeing a lot of that as well. And also trash. We can't emphasize that enough. Folks, in the cafeteria, we have folks that are just simply leaving their trash, and it's not fair to the next students who are coming to that table wanting to sit down and being able to eat in an environment without trash being everywhere. So make sure that you're communicating to your students to pick up after themselves. And let's be honest, the reality is they're at the age now, we shouldn't be having to have these conversations, but we need to have the conversations because if you look at the lunchroom, at the end of the day, it's embarrassing. It looks like a Katrina wash-up or something. So make sure that you're doing what you need to do in that regard. Moving fast forward, iNow, grades need to be in iNow, and they need to be current. Certainly after a careful review, some of the iNows classrooms, classrooms looking at iNow, I've noticed that we don't have grades, or we don't have an adequate number of grades put in. Let's make sure that we're adhering to the board policy in respect to grades, and also that we're doing our due diligence in respect to an assessment, a quality assessment as well, to reflect the standards of what's been taught. That being said, continue to do what you need to do in an effort to move the needle in your classrooms and help make Pinson Valley the absolute very best high school we possibly can be. That being said, here at Pinson Valley, as we always communicated, our mission is to promote achievement, respect, and also success. Do have a blessed day.